Happy 13th of December. We are almost halfway through the month and we have something very special to celebrate. So today you have unboxed Sông Cái gin. This is a beautiful gin from Vietnam. It uses local Vietnamese botanicals. It tastes amazing and we're going to be using it to make up a little cocktail treat. Very, very simple. Jockey Club. It's totally delicious. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is take your cocktail shaker. I am using the Craft Gin Club cocktail shaker, of course, and fill it with ice. Whoop, there we go. And we're going straight in with 50 milliliters of your Sông Cái gin. So that's just your whole little mini here. You can go straight in your shaker, like so. We're going to start with 15 milliliters of lemon juice. We love using fresh lemon juice. We just think it adds a little something special to the drink. But of course you can use bottled lemon juice if that is your preference. Now, very Christmassy, we're gonna do 20 milliliters of amaretto. We're using Di Serrano. We work with these guys a lot. Absolutely love this. It tastes so nostalgic and Christmassy to me. Then we're gonna go in with 10 milliliters of simple syrup. Simple syrup is a cocktail classic. Once you have this on your bar cart, the whole world is your oyster. It's in so many classic cocktails and it tastes amazing. Of course, we have our own simple syrup, which you can stock up on our shop. And to add a little bit of complexity in this cocktail, this part's totally optional, but we are using Angostura bitters. I love these. Lots of bartenders have this on their bar cart because one dash just adds so much flavor to a drink. So I'm using both a dash of the orange bitters, so straight in just like that, and the aromatic bitters. You only need a little bit, so just a dash like that, you're good to go. So we're just gonna pour this right into our lovely cocktail coupe. You could also use a martini glass or really any glass that you have to hand, but I think this one adds a lovely sense of occasion. And I'm gonna garnish this with an orange twist. Just drapes over like that, and cheers.